Easily check if table exists with Python, Sqlalchemy on an SQL database. Hello, I am using Sqlalchemy and pandas to process some data and then save everything to a table in an SQL database. I am trying to find a quick, easy, and standardized way to check if a table exists in a database based on a table name. I have found the has_table function but no working examples. Does anyone has something like give, engine connection, and table name, return true or false if table exists?
With Sqlalchemy 1.4 Plus, you can call has_table by using an inspect object, like so. For earlier versions of Sqlalchemy, see the other answer here.
So I made this function based on this idea from the first repositories.
Sqlalchemy, please consider locking as a server.